Hi guys, I'm back with a North Indian recipe and that's everyone's favorite pani puri. And now let's get started by making puri dough. For that, add half a cup of rava, 2 tablespoons of maida, or we can also call it as all-purpose flour, salt to taste, at last, add some water and knead a tight dough. It's ready. Now rest the dough for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare sweet chutney. For that, place a bowl on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of jaggery with a little amount of water. Let the jaggery dissolve. After that, place a pan on the stove. Add tamarind juice and without forgetting, discard its pulp. Then add soaked dates and jaggery syrup too. Let it get boiled. Put half a tablespoon of chili powder and salt. Let it get cooked well until the raw smell of tamarind goes off. After it gets cooled, make it into a fine paste by blending in a mixie. Next, let's make pani. In a mixie jar, add a piece of ginger, a handful of mint leaves, then coriander leaves, cumin seeds and salt. Make it into a fine paste by adding water. Now it's time to filter it. Add lemon juice. Then add pepper powder. At last, require tomato, salt and water to it. And now it's time to make our stuffing. First, smash 2 boiled potatoes and boil the piece together. Now add pepper and salt to it. Also add finely chopped onion and coriander leaves to it. Now it's ready. At last, it's time to fry our puris. Make the puri dough into portions of balls. Roll the ball as a chapati. Using a circular cookie cutter, cut into small pieces. When the oil gets hot, put the puris and let it get puffed up. At last, let's stuff the puris. Let's taste one. No, two. And it never ends. Do try this recipe and comment about your view. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye-bye.